found it in Denver last summer. Saw it on the marketplace, Facebook marketplace. Looked like a really nice one, so went out, drove out there, decided to buy it. I had to do a lot of work on it though, but it was in pretty good shape when I bought it. There's always something to replace or to fix or whatever. It took longer than I thought it would, but that's the way it goes. Probably changing the transmission out, removed and replace it. It took quite a while. I had to go find the right one to replace it with. You could just take your pick because there's plenty of parts to replace and fix.